Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewers and dear students. Today we are going to proceeding MCQs question number 41. For an arithmetic progression, 8 term is given 75 and 20 term is given 39. Find the value of A1. How we calculate this result? Look here, if we put the arithmetic progression, we have the general formula AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1D. First of all, if we put here 8 term is required 75, it means that if we put 8, N is equal to 8. So we will get here 8 that is equal to 75, and first term is unknown, we are finding this value, and 8 minus we will get 70. Similarly, if we put N is equal to 20, so we will get N is equal to 20, the result is equal to 39, and 39 first value is unknown, and 20 minus 9 we will get 19D. And we subtract these two results, we get 8, 75 is equal to A1 plus 7D, and 39 is equal to A1 plus 19D. We get two equations here subtracting to each other, so the sign is also changed. We subtract this result 15 and 15 we will get here 6, and 6 we get 3 6 as though both are cancelled, and here we get minus 12D. If dividing both sides by 12 minus 12 we will get here minus 3. The common difference we get here minus 3. If we put this result in equation number first, this result we will get here 75 is equal to A1 plus 7D. D is equal to minus 3. So 75 is equal to A1 minus 21. If we change here this one, we will get here 75 plus 21. We get 96. So the correct is the correct answer in this question. 42. What is the journal or n term of the sequence is required? Look here, if we put the first n is equal to 1, so we will get minus 1, and 2 divided by 2 we get here minus 2. We put here we get minus 1, and 2 divided by 1 we get minus 2. First result we will get here, so this is the correct answer. If we put in replace in this formula, we will get here minus 1 power 1 and 1 plus 1 divided by 1. So we will get here minus 1 into 2 divided by 1 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is the first term. If we put here, so the result is 1 minus 1. So anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this is not the answer, because here minus is required, and here we put square, so positive 1, and also same the process here. So the correct answer is A. And common ratio is given. Then arithmetic, the general term of the geometric progression is required, which we know that the general term of the arithmetic progression is A1 r power n minus 1, and here A1 is given, that is 3, and also r is given, that is 2 and minus 1. So that is the correct answer. Directly D is the correct option. So in this question we just put the values and we will get the answer. Number 44, if A in general term is given, N A n minus 1 in the first term is given, the next 4 terms are required in this. So according to the arithmetic progression formula, we know that, so if for the first term is given, An is given, first term is given, A1 is equal to first, and the general term is here already given, n into An minus 1. It means the first term is given, So we put n is equal to 2, 3 and 4. First on next 4 term आएगा. First we put n is equal to 2. So here 2 a n2 we get 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 3. Here 3 we get here 2. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. And 4 is equal to 3 into a3 is equal to 3 into 6. We get 18. 3 minus 2, 4 we get here is 4. 4 and 4 we get 24. 24. So the 4 term, look here, 6. First term is 1, 2, 6. So check the answer. C is the correct option. And here 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6 and 24. Sorry, they are the correct option. D is the correct option. 1, 2 and 6 and 4 is the correct answer. And geometric progression, if general term is given, what is the results according geometric progression? We know that geometric progression an is equal to a1 or n minus 1. Here n minus 2 is required. It means that in the place of n we put here n plus 2. So the first term is not given already. N plus 2 minus 1. So what is the result here? A1 or n plus 2 n plus 1. Now check the answer here. A1 or n plus 1. Here this option is the correct answers. The number of terms in the harmonic progression can be 0. 0 it's possible. 0 is possible. And harmonic progression, so 0 is the correct answer. Similarly, question number 47, if a1 in general term is given, the 4 term is also required. 4 term. So look here, first term is given a1 is equal to 2 and general term is given an is equal to an minus 1 divided by 2. If we replace first n is equal to 2, 3 and 4, just like the previous question we have done already. So if we put a2 is equal to, here's a 2 minus 1 we will get here 1. 2 minus 1 we will get 1, so that is already 2. If we put n is equal to 3, so the result is a 3 minus 2 divided by 2 we will get here a2 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Similarly, if a4 if we put here n is equal to 4, so we will get here 4 minus 1 divided by 2, a3 divided by 2, a3 we get here a3 is equal to 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 is the correct answer, and this is the correct option. B is the correct option in this. If we put a1, so a1 is already given is equal to 2. So question number 48, if the n plus 1 term of the sequence is given, that is means here equality, show that as means here equal n plus 1 term are given, that a n plus 1 is equal to n square plus 3n plus 2. So what is the nth term is required? A n required. Before nth term we put here n minus 1. So in the place of n we put n is equal to n minus 1, because nth term before term is n minus 1. So we put here n plus 1, in the place of n we put n minus 1, and here plus 1 is equal to n minus 1 whole square plus 3 into n minus 1 plus 2. So if we, this will be cancelled, so n term a in we will get here n term a in is required a n. So we will get here n square plus 1 square minus 2ab according to the formula a minus b whole square formula. Here 3n minus 3 plus 2. If we subtract this result n square 3n and minus 2n, we get plus n. Here is constant plus 1 and plus, both are cancelled, this will be cancelled to each other. So we will get here n square plus n. Here option B is the correct answer in this option. 49. The geometric mean between 1 over a plus 1 over b is for a is greater than and b is greater than 0, both are must be positive. So in geometric means we have some properties, if both are positive, so geometric mean will be positive. If both are negative, so geometric will be negative. These are the properties geometric mean. Here both are positive and must be equal to greater than 0. So now according to the formula geometric mean, we have the formula geometric mean is plus minus ab under root. So this is the general formula for the geometric mean between two terms a and b, but here 1 over a and 1 over b is given in the place of, we get here 1 over a into 1 over b. So we can write here this formula, we can write plus minus 1 over 1 divided by AB. So we can write plus minus 1 under root and AB under root. According to the plus minus 1 under root is equal to 1 AB under root. So check the correct answer here. This is not correct. Correct answer is C is the correct option in this case. Question number 50. If G is the geometric mean between A and B, then what is the A and G and B are the, what are the geometric progressions? Because we know that the geometric progression, we already know that geometric progression second term, or we are finding second term divided by first term. So second term is here G divided by first term is A, and third term divided by second term, here third term is B divided by here a second term is G. So in case of both are equal, so G divided by A is equal to B divided by G. So cross multiplication, we are required cross multiplication to each other. So this will be G square is equal to AB. Taking square root on both sides, so we will get here plus minus AB under root. Both are cancelled. So geometric mean is equal to plus minus. This is the geometric progression. So here is not arithmetic progression, harmonic progression, but C is the correct option. First and the third term is required. First and third term is required. And here, if we put here general terms a n minus 3 is given that 2n minus 4. So first term, if we put here 4, so 1, if we put here 1 a minus 2, we will get here a minus 2, and we will get here minus 2, and 4 we will get here. First term is required. First term means here put n is equal to 4 first, because here 4 minus 3 is equal to 2 into 4 minus 4. This will be first term a1. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Similarly, if n is equal to 5, second term n is equal to 5, we replace here a5 minus 3 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 4. This will, we will get here 2, and 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Put n is equal to 6. Put n is equal to 6. So what is the result? A third term 6 minus 3 is equal to 2 into 6 minus 4. This will be 12 minus 4 is equal to 8, and here is third term. And fourth term is equal to 7 if we put. So n is equal to 7 we will get here 7 minus 3 we get a 4, and 14 10 we will get here 10. So we will get here third term is required, just third term is required. We have already found, and fourth that is not asked in the question, but third term is required. Third term is that one. So we will get here the answer is 4, 6 and 8. Check the option. Option is B is the correct option in this case. Question number 52. The series 6 plus 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 up to so on. This is series is given, asking the question. It is convergent, divergent, arithmetic, both A and B. So this is infinite geometric series. Infinite geometric series is given that. So infinite geometric series means that we are required here R. So R, if we finding here R, what is the value of R? R give, it is divergent or convergent. If we find R is equal to second value divided by first value. Second value is 3 divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So R absolute 1 divided by 2, so we will get here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is less than 1, so it is called convergent. Convergent is the required result. So at sum is also given that sum is n. For the infinite geometric series, we know that infinite geometric series is A1 1 minus R. So just take as it is convergent. Convergent is condition is that one. Similarly, if 3 is the geometric mean of A and B, then what is the value of A and B in the order pair form? So as we know that here 3 is given that geometric mean is equal to that for one AB is geometric mean is the product of each other. So look here, if we the first order, if both are multiplied, 0 multiplied by 9, so 0 multiplied by 9 we will get 0, that is not equal, so that is not correct. Similarly 3 multiplied we get 27, 20, and here is 9 we will get here. So the correct option is, because here 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to R now that will be 9, that will be 9. So both results are same. This result gave the exact the value of 3 dot 1 by 3 up to so on 3 1 by 18 products. In the product case we know that bases are same, so we add the power exponent. We add here x base is 3, so we add the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus 1 divided by 81 plus up to so on. From the exponent term, we conclude that this is geometric series, because as we know that here 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus 1 by 81. So this as we know that first of all we find second term divided by first term, and we will get here 1 by 9 and 3 divided by 1. So both are cancelled to each other, we get 1 by 3. We get find this is infinite geometric series. Infinite geometric series is the sum is 1 divided by 1 minus R. The first term is 1 by 3, and we have already found 1 by 3. So if we check the answer here, look here, if we calculate the value of R here, so what is the result? 1 by 3 and 3 minus 1 divided by 3. So 1 by 3 we get here 2 divided by 3. 3 cancel, we get here 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So the base is here 3. We can write here 3 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. And the option is here nothing is given. So if we change the answer here, we write 3 under root. So this will be equal to 3 1 by 2. And here option B is the correct answer. In the geometric progression is given how we calculate the term is required. So we are using the formula a1 r power n minus 1. 7 term is required, and his 7 term. First of all, we find here r is also given that r is equal to 1 divided by 2 and divided by 1 is equal to 1 by 2. 7 term is required. 7 term, first term is given a1 1 and r we have find 1 by 2. Power 7 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Power 6 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Power 6 is equal to 1 over 64. 1 over 64, you check the answer here. C is the correct option. If 5 is the harmonic mean between 2 and C, what is the value of C? According to the formula of the harmonic mean is required here. As we know that harmonic mean between two numbers, as we know that harmonic mean is equal to 2ab divided by a plus b. Here harmonic mean is given that it is 5. So 2a, a is given 2 and b is given c. So we replace c and 2 plus c. If we multiply here, we will get here 10 plus 5c is equal to 4c. So c is required. If we change here 10, 5c minus 4c is equal to minus 10. C is equal to minus 10. Here the value of C is equal to correct option. D is the correct option. In this case, D is the correct option. D is minus 57. A is given, D is common difference is given, and general term is also given. The number of terms n is required. The number of terms n is how many terms are involved in this case. So general terms is given that according to the formula of arithmetic progressions a1 plus n minus 1d. Here an is given that 58 and first term is also given 3 plus n minus 1 and to d is given that 5. We change this one. 58 minus 3 is equal to multiply by 5 and minus 5. That is 55, 5 and minus 5. 5 change here. So 55 plus 5 is equal to 5 and 60 is equal to 5 and divided by 5. And we will get here n is equal to 12. Both are cancelled. We will get here n is equal to 12. C is the correct option in this case. 2 and d is equal to minus 3. The n term are required. Now n term is required. The same formula we are using here. So geometric an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1d. N term is required. A first value is 2 plus n minus 1 and d is equal to minus 3. So 2 plus, here multiply this well, minus 3n, minus into minus plus 3. If we add this two term, we will get 5 minus 3n. So B is the correct option in this case. And dear students, k is equal to 1 up to 4 terms here required in not general terms, but 4 term is required, 4 terms. So if we have the general formula for the sum of the series, summation I is equal to 1 up to n in n. So we get n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here in the place of k is equal to 1 up to 4k. So here if we put k is equal to 4 into 4 plus 1 divided by 2, this will be cancelled. We will get 10. 10 is the correct answer. A is the correct option in this case. BR in the arithmetic progression, what is the value of 2B? Arithmetic progression is required. Arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic progression, then what is the value of 2B? As we know that the arithmetic progression, if we are finding B minus A, we can write common difference. We are finding B minus A is equal to B minus B. So we change here this value. So B minus B minus plus B is equal to B, the A value we change here, this will be positive, A plus B. So 2B is equal to A plus B. So dividing 2B is equal to A plus B. Here the option is 2A plus B. B answer is the correct option. And in arithmetic progression is find if the general term a n minus 1 is the value of what? We know that the general term of the arithmetic progression a n is equal to a1 plus n minus 1d. In the place of n we put here a n minus 1. So n minus 1 d. So here we will get here a1 plus n minus 2d. This answer B is the correct option. Sum of the infinity of the series is what? Sum of the series infinity. Sum of the infinity, as we know that a1 divided by 1 minus r. So here r is, what is the r? R is equal to 2y. First term is equal to a1 1 divided by y minus 2y. So r is equal to, we know that second term divided by first term, we get here 2y divided by y. Similarly r 4y square divided by 2y. So both are cancelled, we get here 2y. 2y is the common ratio. And answer B is the correct option. A and R is the first and the common ratio are given. What is the value of n plus n term of the sequence is what? So according to the formula of the nth general term of the progressions, a n is equal to a1 r power n minus 1. If we replace here n, put n is equal to n plus 3. So we get here n plus 3 minus 1. So it is the result of r n plus 2. Now check the option. Option C is the correct option in this case. Geometric mean between two numbers 4 and minus 1, 81. So minus 18, 324, minus 24, none of these. None of these is directly we guess that one from the properties. So here is one is positive, the other is negative. This is positive and this is, because in the geometric mean it is not possible. It is not possible because both must be positive, or both must be negative. But here is one is positive and negative, so the none of these is the correct answer. So question number 65, if y is equal to 1 plus 2x, so what is the value of x? So sum of the series is given that, so according to the sum of the series, we find the value of y as sum. Y is equal to sum of the infinity is equal to a1 plus 1 minus r. Y is equal to a1 is here is 1 and r is equal to 2x or 2x. R is equal to here second value divided by first value, 2x divided by 1 is equal to 2x. Now cross multiplication, we take cross multiplication, or we just replace this value replace, change this value replaces. So here we get 1 minus 2x is equal to 1 over y. If we change here this value, r minus 2x is equal to 1 over y minus 1. So we take the LCM, 1 minus y divided by y. Now dividing both sides by minus 2. So dividing by y minus 2, both are cancelled. And here we get here minus, if we take common, y minus 1 divided by minus 2, and y minus minus cancel. Y minus 1 divided by 2y is the correct option. So YC is the correct option in this case. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. So the weather is very hot. Please pray my success, and also subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks once again for watching.